what we need for the pancake. So this is pancake powder, and this is egg, and this is oil, and this is milk and butter. So let's go. First step, I'm gonna put powder in the bowl. Huh?
Oh.
It's lots of powder. Next is egg. I like it. Ooh, why is this big? Why?
It's okay.
Next, mix. And now the oil. Wow. This is the milk. Wow, I like milk. Magkamano. Look. Smells good. My mom always cook pancake. Instead of water, we use milk. Make sure we gonna mix this properly. Mix it well so the mixture will be smooth. Now our mixture is very smooth. Next step, we're gonna cook the pancake. And now I'm gonna cook the pancake. So our pancake is already done. Now our pancake is cooked. Now let's eat it. Yum! And Hello Kitty, join me. Let's go.